Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Archicad 29 on macOS, step by step. This guide works on both Intel Macs and Apple Silicon Macs, including M1, M2, M3, M4, and M5 chips. The process is also very similar for earlier versions like Archicad 28, 27, and 26, so if you're using one of those, this video will still help you. Please watch carefully and follow each step in the same order I show you, so you don't miss anything important. Let's get started. First, make sure your Mac is updated and running smoothly. Close any unnecessary apps so the installation can run without interruptions. Also, check that you have enough disk space. Your macOS version is supported. And your internet connection is stable. If you want to use Archicad in a different language, don't worry, I'll also explain the language options in another video. Now, once everything is ready, we can begin the installation process. During installation, Archicad will also place additional components like libraries and support files. Avoid clicking or stopping the process while it's working. Just wait until the progress bar reaches 100%. Once it's done, you'll see a message saying the installation was successful. Click Close, and that means Archicad 29 is now installed on your Mac. Now we're moving into the most important part of the video, the activation process. Please pay close attention and watch this section very carefully. Make sure you follow every step exactly as I show it, so that you don't face any problems during activation later on. Activation is the step where most people make small mistakes, so it's really important not to skip ahead or rush through it. Just take your time and do it along with me. And remember, if something doesn't work the way you expect, or you run into any kind of issue at any stage, don't worry, just contact me and I'll be happy to help you out and guide you through the problem. Now let's open Archicad 29 for the very first time. Go ahead and open Finder, then navigate to Applications Graphisoft Archicad 29, and launch the application from there. When you open it for the first time, don't worry if it takes a little longer than usual, that's completely normal. Archicad is loading all the libraries and components in the background, so just be patient and let it finish. If you prefer to work in a different language version of Archicad, you can change the language that matches your region or your preference. Each language pack is provided as a separate installer, and the installation process is different. Once installed, you simply launch that language version and continue working normally. After Archicad finishes loading, you should now see the main interface. At that point, your setup is complete and you're ready to start using Archicad 29 on your Mac. Now that Archicad is installed and activated, I'm going to open a few sample projects, just to show you that everything is working perfectly. As you can see, Archicad opens the project smoothly, the interface loads correctly, and all the main tools and features are available. I'll also switch between a few different files, navigate the model, and zoom in and out, just to demonstrate that the software is stable and running without any issues on macOS. This step is mainly to give you confidence that the installation has been completed successfully, so if your screen looks similar to mine and the tools respond normally, then you're good to go. If at this point you experience crashes, errors, license problems, or anything doesn't work the way it should, don't worry. These kinds of issues can happen sometimes depending on your system, but they can usually be fixed. You can contact me anytime if you need help. I have a lot of experience installing and configuring Archicad on macOS, both Intel and Apple Silicon systems, and I also help with installation support for many other professional software tools as well. So if you get stuck, or something doesn't open properly, or you're unsure about a step, just reach out to me. I'll be happy to guide you and make sure everything works smoothly on your system. Once you see your projects loading like this without any issues, that means your installation is fully complete, and you're ready to start working in Archicad. There are also a few additional setup and configuration steps that I normally perform during installation. These help ensure that Archicad runs smoothly, stays stable, and works reliably over the long term. To keep this video simple and easy to follow, I haven't included every advanced step here, because that would make the video quite long, and some of the settings depend on your specific Mac setup. So, if you'd like professional help with installation, optimization, or troubleshooting, you can always contact me. I've helped many users set up Archicad properly on macOS, and I'll be happy to guide you as well. So that's it, we've successfully installed and set up Archicad 29 on macOS, and everything is now working smoothly. And if you face any issues at any stage, don't worry. Just contact me and I'll be happy to help you. I have a lot of experience installing software on macOS,